And your girl, Spicy Spivey. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some good old potato salad. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, also that like button. Don't forget the notification bell so you can get my new uploads as well. If you want to see how I make this potato salad, please keep watching. Okay, my spices, let's go ahead and get started. I am going to peel 8 potatoes, remove all the skin from the potatoes. Now I'm going to cut the potatoes 3 ways the long way, and then I'm going to dice these up into kind of small pieces. I like mine kind of small, but you can cut yours up if you want big chunks, small chunks. I mean, it's whatever you like. Okay, now I have diced up all the potatoes and cleaned the potatoes. Now I'm going to get a pot of water ready for the potatoes to go into. Now that the water is getting hot, I am going to cut up these boiled eggs. I cut them up in my hand, do them like, I saw my mother do them, but you can cut them up in a bowl, on a chopping board, however you want to do it. If you decide to do it in your hand, please be very careful. I'm not pressing down hard, hurting myself, but I am. And eggs are very soft, so they're easy to cut. So just be careful. Now I'm going to go ahead and season my water with seasoned salt. And we're going to cook these potatoes for about 15 minutes. You want to keep an eye on them. You do not want them mushy, just firm. Okay, so now we're going to drain the potatoes. Now it's time to place these potatoes in the refrigerator. You want them cold. Okay, spices, so while the potatoes are cooling, we're going to go ahead and assemble the mixture that we're going to use to make this potato salad. So, this is the good stuff. I only use Dukes. You can use whatever kind you like, but if you want it to taste like Spicy Spivey's potato salad, this right here is what you need. Y'all need this in your life. Gotta have this in the kitchen. So about a cup and a half of mayo. This right here is the secret ingredient. Sandwich spread. That's right, sandwich spread. A good, say half a cup. Okay, I have a stalk of celery, half of a red onion chopped finely, because some people like the taste of onions, but they don't like to bite into an onion. So I put these in my food processor and I cut them really small, blend them up really small. Okay, I'm gonna add some seasoned salt. Add some relish. That was about maybe quarter cup, but we'll add more as we go. Ketchup. I don't put sugar in mine, but ketchup gives it the sweetness. Also, it gives it a nice tint. So, some people put like paprika in theirs to give it that color, but I like mine in the mixture as well. I like it to have a little color to it as well. So, good old squirty squirt. Gotta have French's mustard. Gonna put some black pepper. Gonna add some onion powder. Garlic powder. And we're gonna get mixing it. Now spices, this is what I use to, make my potato salad. And see how it gave it that nice tint to it? All right, I'm gonna add the eggs. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes, but I'm going to add a little at a time. So if we need more mayo or we need more of anything as we go and taste it, you'll know. Nice and cold potatoes. So you just want to just fold it in. I think I really needed a bigger bowl. right, so I'm gonna add a little more ketchup. A little more mustard. And a little more relish. And this is the sweet relish. Now I'm going to give this a little taste test. When I tell y'all, this is popping. Popping, hitting, splitting. This is the bomb. Okay, now those leftover eggs I have, I'm going to garnish them on the top. Now we're going to finish it off with a little paprika. Okay. Now we're going to, you got to make it pretty. And there you have it, spices. Good old everything potato salad. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Look out for my new videos every Monday and Wednesday. Thank you.